Hey, did you know that the sound of a bee's wings isn't from the wings at all? Sounds crazy, right? Well, let me blow your mind in the next few seconds. So, what's causing that famous humming sound? It's not what you think. It's actually the rapid beating of their muscles, yes, muscles, not wings. This is how bees hover, zip around, and navigate the air so fast. Get this, a bee's wing beats about 200 times per second. Can you even imagine that? Their tiny, powerful muscles are firing like crazy, creating that hum that we all know so well. Wanna get even crazier? The faster they beat their muscles, the higher they can fly. What? They control their flight and make music at the same time. If this blew your mind, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more crazy facts. Share this with your friends who need a mind-blown moment today.